my sleepy channel, guys. Good morning. Today we have Mr. Alex and Mr. Amir right behind there. We're gonna go for this car meet by Aurizn. I don't know. It's Aurizn. So we're gonna meet them at Fast and Feast. So see you in a bit. Yeah, people cycling in the morning. It's not actually Fast and Feast, it's actually Feast and Furious. And we're not gonna meet at Feast and Furious, we're gonna meet at Forever Building Car Park near Prudential. Good morning, guys. So we're here. So there's not much people, which is good. Which is also good because we could build closer relationship with new guys, with new friends. But it would be nicer if we have more crowds, right? We have great sets of cars today. We got Evo 6. We got another STI. We got an Integra S2K, and we got two RX-8. So we're gonna wait for a while for the others. If there's any more people joining us or not, we're not sure. But yep, I'm gonna update you guys later. So convoy in the house. All the supercars is in front. Only the Jadi M boys are behind. So we are here at Jalan FAC Matang. They had barricaded the entrance where we do a photo shoot last time near the river. Dude, I'm scared, dude. My car is running low, the fuel is running low, so I don't know whether we can make it or not. Going back, whatever happens, happens lah, right? My boy! Good morning.
Hello bro, good morning bro.
Hey bro, minyak ku low bro. Minyak warning bro. Nasi.
Hey, you know what? You know what's the feeling, right? Oops. Yeah, you know what's the feeling, right? So today I have a ride. So I was so confident, my boy. You know what? My suspension was so stiff. Oh, now I cannot drive on G5. So what do you think about today?
Today was fun, man. Today was fun. Meeting up with the cars. Ada S2K.
S2K, huh?
S2K, ada R33.
Oh, there's a lot of cars.
Yeah, supercar apa ni no?
Oh, sibuk lah.
Yeah, but my most concern right now is the fuel, my car fuel.
Oh shit!
The warning doh, dah ada keluar lampu.
Bensin nak cek minyak man.
That's why I'm scared, man. Terus cukup sih sampai Matang. Sampai Tegai. Cukup right?
Kuasa kot.
Hopefully lah,
Cukup
hopefully.
kot. Just drive chill lah.
Yeah, after this they are going to Damai Beach.
So what about you?
We singgah isi minyak dulu lah.
Yeah, can. So I just want to let you know, don't drive jazz, my friend. Track can, but not long road.
Good morning, Dean.
Evo is Malaysia Alex. Oh, he's droning.
Hi. He's from a YouTube blog.
Yeah,
Hi.
Fast Culture Kuching.
Yeah. Great. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. It's a white Ferrari! 1 horsepower. Fluid Industries in action. Doing what he's doing best. Doing what he do best. Ah. Look at the fuel, just on top of that line. And guys, we made it. Yay! Ron 97 Pro Race. Sir, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Where are you going, sir? Joining the other class inside.
Alright.
So
Thank
sorry.
you.
That's wrong, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
sesat.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, sekarang same. Thank you. Wah, it's been so long. I've been here. I don't know when was the last time. Go to Damai Beach.
Wait, down, up.
Down, down. I think. Yeah, everyone is there. We're at Damai Beach. Damai Beach. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Naz boy.
I was solo having my solo run just now.
Solo run. Solo run.
But it was fun though.
It was fun no. Kinati di pun ada.
Yeah.
Let's go in. Okay lah, RM30.
Hopping on the bike, passing all these cars on the same road just like FSC.
Yeah.
FSC Mata. And then the last shot is I passed the Avocado at 265.
Oh.
The last one.
What? Yo, we're at Damai Beach. It's been so long. I don't know when was the last time I've been here. I think it was before PKP, before the COVID situation thing. It's nice to be back. I would wish to spend maybe a day or two here. Yep. So guys, I'll see you guys later in the evening for Geo Stadium.
So today I'm from Top Gear Kuching. So this is
Top gear or CVT gear?
CVT gear. Yeah, I'm from team GT6. So this is Cruise punya car for today. We're gonna have a Porsche and Mazda, but Honda put aside now. But this is Legends, you know, at the back. Yeah, look at the S2K.
This one
day.
You also legend, man.
This is the real deal, my friend. The S2K. Everyone dreams. Mao, you know. Yeah. Mao,
Mau.
Mao.